Hello, my cat Frenchie has just been diagnosed recently with diabetes. So I've had a heck of a time getting straight and easy information about the materials I need and how to use them. So I just wanted to share this quick video. Um, this is a kit that I got on Amazon. It's actually for people. So this information here is not going to apply to your cat or your pet. So here's what we have. We have the meter, and we have blood test strips. We have the lancer and the lancets to help take the blood draw, like from the ear. And then we have an extra box of a lot of these. If you are on a budget and you can just get this, just know that it comes with 10. And then, these you can find online used if they're still working. And the information's still relevant. That might save you money too. At the same time that I bought this in this kit that all comes together for about $80 on Amazon, I also bought extra test strips because I know I'll need them pretty soon. Anyway, what happened first with our vet was an all-day testing session at the vet where every 2 hours they give her a little glucose, they test her blood, a little more, test her blood. They try to get them stabilized. I don't think she really got stabilized, but they did give me a 2 unit amount of glucose insulin to be giving to her. So after that, the instructions weren't that clear. So I ended up not going back to the vet for a month, and really I should have gone back in a week, unless I had jumped on learning how to do this right away. Because if you don't learn how to do this right away, then you have to keep going back to them to do it, and it's very expensive. So if I could do it all over again, I would get my diagnosis, bring my kitty home, love her up, but start the glucose right away. And learning how to give the shot seems overwhelming at first, but soon enough it's easy peasy. And she doesn't really mind. At first she complained, but she doesn't mind too much anymore. So if you get this going right away, you don't have to go to the vet as much. There are Facebook groups. Just look up cat diabetes. They're amazing. They can be a little overwhelming and sometimes a little judgy, but you got to just be strong and do what's best for your kitty. And so now I'm at the process of, starting to learn how to do this little lance on her ear. There's a vein that runs along the edge of their ear. You can just poke the tiniest bit and a drop of blood comes out. Put it on the strip. It's kind of like a pH strip kind of thing. And then you put it into this. And then you get the readings, and then the readings you have to compare to what a cat should be for her weight and size. And that's some kind of thing that the Facebook groups are really good in helping you through. So I hope this was helpful, and this really is the next step after diagnosis and starting your shots. Really important to learn. You're going to have to learn it eventually if you want your cat to live. So please try to jump in right away. Oh, you can get some of this stuff at Walmart. They didn't have it at mine when I went, but that is an option. So if you want to put your own kit together, here's some pictures of the 30 gauge lancets, the lancing device, the Rely On Premier test strips. I'm not endorsed by this company, by the way. It's just the one that came up in the cat group as being the best. And the Rely On reader, okay? So get all those things together, maybe some extra test strips so you have them, and then you'll have a whole box of syringes and your glucose that I got at Walmart, and I think that was a pretty good pricing. No, I'm sorry, not Walmart. I got them at Costco. My vet called in my insulin and everything over there, so I recommend that too. All right, wishing you luck, and have a great day.